Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time stopping by, you're most welcome. My name is Jen Atungo. If you're interested to see how I did this style, please continue watching. So I'm going to start with the back because I'm doing a low ponytail. I decided to go for this style before I wash my hair. I had applied gel on my previous style, that's why I didn't want to wash my hair. So I'm just applying my gel, Eco Style gel, and you will notice that my hair is white. This is because of the previous products that I use. So don't worry about this white stuff. It will all dry up once I'm done with all this hairstyle. So once I'm done with applying the gel, I'll just put it into a ponytail and start working on the front section. Okay, so after I've made that side part, I will go in with my Eco Style gel, and I will pick some small section of my hair and apply the gel. So if you want to achieve that sleek look, you'll have to work in section because you want the gel to be distributed, and you want your hair to be laid down to flat. So working in section really help in achieving that sleek look. So I will go in with my hairbrush just to smoothen everything and to make sure that my hair is laid. And like I said earlier, don't worry about this white stuff. It will all, dry up. And if you want to see more of my videos and you haven't subscribed, kindly do so, and I will truly appreciate. My gel is almost running out, so I'll have to buy another one. So once I'm done with applying the gel, I will just take my afro comb and comb my hair towards the back. Then I'll put it into a ponytail. So now I'm going in with my gel wax, to make sure that my hair is like laid down flat, and also to make sure that there are no flyaways. Then once that is done, I'll again take in my brush just to smoothen my hair and to ensure that my hair is like laid down completely. So I'm now laying down my edges, and once that is done, I will wrap my hair and leave it to dry. And guys, I'm not so good when it comes to putting my edges into place. Just bear with me, okay? Because I'm really struggling, but I know, just bear with me. So after wrapping my hair, I will leave it to dry. So guys, I'm back, and as you can see, my hair is like really laid down flat, and there are no flyaways. So this is our hair for today, and it's the normal braiding hair, and I've used this hair before in my previous video, so if you wish to see, you can go check it out. So after I have attached it onto my ponytail, I will just take a small section exactly as you have seen in the video, taking a small section and wrap it onto my ponytail, and once that is done, I'll just secure it with the bobby pins to give it some extra security. So guys, this is the final look, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And that was just it for this video, guys. I'll see you again in my next video, so take care. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't, okay?